Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to start organizing your home? Let's see if we are a good fit. In this video, I will show you few very simple ideas which will help you organizing your home, and if you are a beginner, then this video will definitely help you to start organizing your home and kitchen. And if you already know these ideas, I hope you will enjoy watching this video. So let's begin. Very common but very useful, this rotating tray or lazy Susan is must-have organizer for every home. Those who just now started arranging and organizing their home and not sure from where to start, then begin with this lazy Susan. If you have less space or you want to organize your deep cabinets, then rotating organizer will help you a lot for arranging things like bottles, cans, jars, makeup items, etc. You can use such type of rotating tray or organizer in almost every room. So this is the first thing to have if you really want to organize your home and kitchen. These rotating organizers are available in many different types, sizes, shapes and height. You can select as per your usage and cabinet size. Many times while traveling, it's little difficult to carry water bottles. This makeup organizer you can use to carry water while you travel nearby. It easily accommodates medium size 4 to 5 bottles, and it's very easy to carry as well. Even your kids can carry such bags to school for tiffin and water bottles. Being a makeup organizer, it's sufficient to keep all your makeup including lipsticks, eyeshadows, nail paint brushes, compact, etc. A very useful organizer which you can use in many ways for different purpose. After kitchen, our dining table is a place which creates lot of clutter. No matter how hard you try to keep it clean, dining table gets dirty very easily. For keeping dining table clean and clutter free, you can use baskets for various things which creates mess. Things like laptop, their wires, mouse, keypad, and dining related things like salt, pepper, sauce, water bottles, etc. always makes it messy time to time. Fix a basket for everything. Keep all laptops in one basket. Keep separate small baskets for mouse, remotes and adapter cable. Use one big organizer for dining table to keep salt, pepper, etc. That way your dining table will remain organized and clutter free always. You may order many such useful kitchen and household organizers and products from Miralink online shopping website. Miralink by Bulbul Shop has variety of kitchen organizers and other household product. Do check the website by just clicking the link from the description box below. Miralink provides you free delivery and free cash on delivery along with easy returns and replacement in 5 days. You can also place your order through WhatsApp link given in the video's description. Check the website and avail many exciting discounts and offer. From Miralink by Bulbul Shop, you will get variety of products at very reasonable price. Before placing any order, don't forget to download the app for easy returns and refunds. These small magnets are very useful for keeping your little things organized at one place. I am sticking these magnets on my wardrobe door, and then I will place my safety pins and clips over this. Clips and safety pins are very easily misplaced by us. Being small in size, it's very difficult to search them every time. These magnets will help you to keep them well arranged and organized without disturbing other things in your wardrobe. Don't judge the organizers by their size. Sometimes small organizers are much useful than the big ones. These cute little baskets are very helpful in keeping things organized in my kitchen. I use them to keep all small tools which I don't use very often but they are important for me. By using such hanging baskets, I can keep these tools safely, and also by using them anywhere it doesn't disturb my other arrangements. You can use such organizer anywhere in your home, inside or outside cabinet or on your kitchen walls. I received many comments regarding how I keep my cables and wires organized. Including kitchen and other rooms, wires and cables give lot of visual clutter which actually looks ugly. For keeping your wires and cables organized, you can use this adhesive holder on your walls near the plug point. When not in use, you can hang your wires like this and keep your home clean and clutter-free. In small homes and kitchen, we mostly face problems of lack of storage area. Use hidden areas of your home to store things. Hidden areas like space above cabinets or wardrobes or fridge and microwave top space you can utilize to keep things. We mostly ignore these areas of our house which can be a great storage space for things we don't use daily. Before placing things on such places, use baskets so that it will be easy for you to get things from that height and to put them back. For better storage option, try to use baskets with lid. This way, whatever you are keeping above will remain dust free and clean. You can use organizers as per your convenience and according to the space you have. Keeping our home clean and organized is totally in our hand. I hope I helped you a bit to do so. For more home keeping ideas and tips, keep watching my videos. Consider subscribing my channel and thank you so much for watching my videos.